95% of people will retire broke, not because they didn't work hard, but because of this. Most people work 40 hours a week for 40 years to retire on 40% of what they couldn't live on anyway. It's called the 40-40-40 trap. Meanwhile, the wealthy figured out how to escape this trap a long time ago. Lesson 1. The rich buy assets. The poor buy liabilities they think are assets. A poor mindset buys a bigger TV. A wealthy mindset buys stocks. Same income, completely different decision. Lesson 2. The wealthy pay themselves first. Before rent, before bills, before anything. They automatically move 20% of every paycheck into investments. Not what's left over, the first 20%. Lesson 3. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. The average broke person has 1. Dividends, real estate, a digital product, affiliate income. Just 1 extra stream changes everything. Lesson 4. Warren Buffett said the best investment you can make is in yourself. While the average person spends $1,200 a year on fast food, the wealthy spend that same money on education. And the most powerful secret of all, compound interest. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. $300 a month at age 25. By 65, you'll have over $1 million. Not because you earned it, because your money worked while you slept. Your action plan starts today. Step 1. Track every dollar you spend this week. Step 2. Open a free investment account today and set up a $50 automatic transfer. Step 3. Read 1 personal finance book this month. Start with Rich Dad, Poor Dad or The Psychology of Money. Small steps, consistent habits. That is the wealth mindset. The journey starts with 1 decision. This is just the beginning. Subscribe to Wealth Mindset Pro for new videos every week. Wealth strategies and mindset shifts that actually work. Don't wait. Start now.